That's why I've been going so fast. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's switch like solid 27. Heck yeah. All right. So let's start things off real fast here. Oh yeah, this is oh, it what the fuck was that? The hell, the wind blew it or something? Probably just something. Oh yeah, I like those slow black stuff like that. Fast stuff. Oh man, I think the wind, yo, it is windy as cold in there. Yeah, I love this, man. He be hating on this, like what? Garbage. Like dude, like y'all know we got people in here. Like I ain't, I'm messing with you. Woo! Saw that save? Stop playing on me. Yes, yes, yes. It's like a freestyle flight. Oh, it almost wanted to crash there. Maybe I'm at the. Oh, I see the sag. That's called sag because I'm at the toward the tail end of my battery. So I have to be mindful of that when I'm trying to like go through. Yeah, that's smooth. Yeah, that's smooth. So now for this flight, I'm gonna be more cinematic, basically. Let's hit the GoPro. You see, bro, I'm chilling in the field. As a matter of fact, fuck out of here. We don't even need to fly this shit that bad. You know what I'm saying? Yo, this shit is a beast. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. We fly this shit easy, bro. Oh, it's pushing me. I feel that wind pushing me. Oh, y'all saw that? Hey, I'm gonna hit him. Let's see if I can hit him with this. Oh, I did it, but that was crazy. That's my first time doing that in real life, bro. Yo, that was a wild. All right, let's try to go back down this way. Now low. This is rip. God, this bitch rips. You gonna follow this big ass truck thing? Yo, stop playing with me. I'm bringing it back home. That was it. We had a fun flight. That was successful, fun. Oh, this is a whole nother field. Oh, wow. The freedom. Oh, that's funny. I'm gonna follow you there, though. Yeah, what you say, mama? Right here, I'm following. I was just following this dude right here. Right here. Where you at? What's up, mama?
Bring it back.
Bring it back.
Yeah. See me?
Yeah. You saw that?
Yeah. They did it like real good. I'm flipping over.
Yeah. Like that.
I like the way that it goes like through the grass.
Oh yeah, this is so fun. Yo, let's go.
You recording this?
Yep.
I'm gonna go to the mailbox.
Okay.
Is he gonna follow me?
Yeah, I'll probably use my last bit of battery.
Okay.
Oh, it says return home.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm done.
That's it. You